Hello, welcome again to Painting Explorer channel. I am Deni Junaedi. Now I will show you my painting. The title is The Ambiguity of Up and Low. It is one of my painting in the series of visual ambiguities. My painting in this period raise the issue of visual ambiguity. Sometimes they are called the double image, ambiguous feature, optical illusion, or impossible object. Ambiguous form will cause the double perception. The ambiguity of this painting is in the right side of house that can be perceived as up and low. We perceive up if we trace from this door. It is the first level and it is the second level. So it is in the upper than this one. But if we trace from this footpath, it will be low. Both of these two doors in the same level. So this one is the ambiguity. I use oil color on canvas to create this painting. Before I paint in this canvas, I made sketch in paper. Exhibited this painting in National Gallery of Indonesia, Jakarta, and this is the catalog. Okay, thank you for watching. I will show you my other ambiguous feature or impossible object paintings. So to update my channel, don't forget to subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.